it's Sean McCammon from the Waterloo Region District School Board. If you are a teacher or a student looking for a great resource to help you identify living things, a great website you can check out is iNaturalist. And for iNaturalist, all you have to do is take a picture of something that you're not sure about what it might be and post it there, and the website will sometimes automatically just suggest for you what that species might be. So I've got a delicate green bug here on the log, and I'm not quite sure what it is, so I'm just going to take a picture and I'm going to post that on the iNaturalist website, and we'll see what happens there, see if they're able to identify that for me. Okay, so I have logged on to my iNaturalist account here, and this is a neat website where you can just explore around and find species that people have found near you, or you could put in your own observations. And so I'm just going to see if iNaturalist can give us any clues about the insect that I took a picture of outside on the porch. So I'm just going to go up here to upload. I'm going to click on upload, and I can either drag and drop, or I can choose the files that I want. And I named my file unknown bug, so I'm just going to open that. So the picture has uploaded here, and in the box here it is just suggested life, that this is something, some living thing, and I'm going to submit that to iNaturalist. And once it's submitted, okay, so if I go up here and I just click on my observation that I put in, so far the only suggestion we have here is that it is a state of matter of life, which is pretty as broad as you can get. But if you come down to suggest an identification, you click on it, and you click in the species name part, it starts suggesting what this might be. And already here we have several things that look pretty close to what we found out there, and they're all lacewings. And so we think, you know, probably that is a lacewing of some sort, and it will show you what is being seen nearby, what insects are visually similar to that thing. So if we just go up here and we click on the general tribe of Chrysopene, or lacewings, we have down here, this is pretty neat, top identifiers of that type of insect. And we can also click on here and just have a look at some of the pictures of what this particular group of animals looks like. And this is not my picture, this is just somebody else's picture, and that looks very similar to what I found out there. So pretty neat that you can just take a picture of something. There's my picture here, and here are other pictures of lacewings in my area, and if I were to get on the map here and zoom in, I could see what other similar species people have found in my area. And so pretty neat tool to use. You can just take a picture of something, and often this is easier on the iNaturalist app, that if you're doing this on your phone, you just take a picture, you can upload it directly from your phone to iNaturalist, and it suggests things right on the app there. So some parts of this, I think the exploring part of iNaturalist is better on the computer, but probably the taking of pictures and uploading and identifying part is probably easier on your phone. So it's a great website, and check it out.